So if you saw the last episode of my backyard makeover, we built the gazebo and we also decorated the gazebo. But in today's video, everything is going to get messy, so I have to redesign it. So all I'm doing here is prepping the area so that my contractor can have room to work. Today's video is sponsored by Costway. You'll see in this video that they have some very quality materials and some really beautiful furnitures. Costway was kind enough to not only send me a dining table with 9 chairs, they also sent me an egg chair, a fire pit, a swing set, and an outdoor side table that also converts to a mini bar. Alright, so today is installation day. We are going to set up all of the stuff. This is what our boxes look like. This is what your box is going to look like. And then we have multiple boxes here. And my guy's here. And he's just taking everything out. These are the colors of the chair. This is what the chair looks like. I think this is the back of the chair. They're all labeled to make it easy to install. Yeah, so that's coming from that box. The bigger box, I think this is the table. And then just a few other things. I could have set everything up myself because it comes with instructions and it's pretty easy to do, but I'm very busy and I have quite a bit of stuff to open up and set up, and I felt like it would have taken me a day or two because I would keep getting distracted over and over, so I decided to hire the job out. And that was the best decision I made because the guy came, did everything in one day or just a few hours, and it was done. This is a big installation job because, wow, look at all the different boxes, different parts. This is the egg chair. This one I'm really excited about. This is the swing, or a swing for Nadia. We're gonna put a swing out here for her. This is part of the table, the dining table. These are the cushions. The chairs. It's about to look so good out here. I'm excited. These, I'm not sure, but I think they're parts of some other stuff. This is the egg chair. Wow, I missed it, but the table is up. Ew. The table is up. Nice. All right, family, we have a dining table. Outdoor dining table. Now we're working on the chairs. Yes. All right, family, so our table is up. We have 9 chairs, as I said before. And again, the chairs are pretty easy to put together, but it's very time consuming. So my contractor did a great job putting it together. And this is me trying it out and being silly. I've worked with this guy a lot of times, so he's kind of like family now, so he knows I'm silly. He is actually the one who built the gazebo, him and his friend. We are not done with the inside, y'all. I just wanted to finish up the outside because, as you know, it's starting to get colder and I wanted to enjoy my backyard before the winter comes. So I wanted to finish up the backyard, have some parties out here, some get-togethers, some chill moments, and you know, all of that before I can't do that anymore. Okay, family, the egg chair is done. This is actually my favorite. Look how cute it is. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to sit in this. Look at that. And it's so tall. It's so nice. I'm about to try it out. about to be Nadia's favorite chair, right? So that's my favorite chair. There you go. You want to get down? Whoa. Go ahead. Say yes, mommy. Let me swing you. Here. Whee! Whee! So the next thing we're building now is Nadia's swing. Nadia's swing is gonna go right there, and he's just building it. This one is really important because Nadia needs her own swing. This swing is mine, and this one is Nadia's. So yeah, that's that. All right, family, I am so happy that Costway had a swing set for Nadia because, oh my goodness, I feel like the backyard is complete because she has her own play area. She can ride her bike, she can do other things, but a swing set is perfect for her. As you can see, she's super anxious and super excited to see the final product. All right, family, so this one I'm about to put together myself. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know if I can do this, but it should be pretty simple. So this is like a side table slash cooler for the outside. I'll show you all once it's done, but this is pretty cool and I'm super excited to put it together. It's convertible or versatile. Let me put it together so you can see. Side table slash cooler is done. So this is all you do, y'all. Let me show you. So when you take this out, yep, it comes down. Now it's a side table, an outdoor side table, right? But then if you lift it up, you lift this part up as high as you want and then go like that, it stays. Now you can access the content of the cooler. So this whole part is a cooler. Alright, family, so all of the installation is done. As you can see here, the whole backyard is a little messy, so I'm gonna go ahead and organize everything. What I'm pulling here is the fire pit, which I'll be showing you a little later. So the gazebo and the furnitures in the gazebo got really messed up. Well, not messed up, but just messy. So I'm gonna go ahead and redecorate it. So if you haven't seen the gazebo decor video, here is your chance to see a little bit of how I set it up. So I did decide to put these lamps up here. I'm trying it out. I don't think I'm gonna like it there because it's too high and it's not that bright to be like a chandelier, but it looks good. It looks good from like a view standpoint, if that makes sense, but I don't think it's gonna stay up there. Anyway, I'm just putting everything back to where they belong, zhuzhing everything up, setting everything back up before I can move on to the actual furnitures for today. Alright, so moving on to our Costway furnitures. I cannot wait for you all to see the setup I have going on here. This rug I got from Walmart. I wanted to use it in the gazebo, but I decided to use it here because it makes a lot more sense. And if you saw the last video, you probably saw me trying to try it out. Alright, so I have my rug opened up. I am just moving my table. The table is kind of heavy. I know it doesn't look heavy, but it's kind of heavy. But I'm just doing the best I can to move it. And little Miss Nadia thinks this is a party or she thinks we're playing around. So I just have to keep her entertained as I keep myself busy. And it works every time. Today is bubble day and she's super excited to have this big thing of bubbles and just, I don't know, the girl is busier than busy. Anyway, moving on to setting up the table here. Again, I'm just trying to find a good spot for the table. This is the area where I'm setting it up now. I don't know if I'm going to keep it there, but this is my idea for right now. So just keep watching. All right, our table is set up. Let's go ahead and add the chairs. So as I said, this is a 9-piece set. So there are 8 chairs and 1 table. The great thing I like about the table or the set is that it doesn't take a lot of space at all. And when you go to store it, it also doesn't take a lot of space. So I like that a lot. It just fits very, very nicely. All right, family, so this is what the table look like right now. How pretty is this? It's so pretty. And one thing I do like about this is it doesn't take up a lot of space. Only the table is taking up space right now. So the chairs are pretty nice and tucked in. This is a 9-piece set, but as you can see here, we only have, we only have 7 pieces here. We have the other 2 pieces here. I don't know if I want to add all of it. I don't know if I want to add all of it. So I think I want to put this somewhere else, but I'm going to figure that out. And it also has cushions. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the cushions and put them in the seat. I mean, the seats are pretty nice. Let me open it. See, the seats are pretty nice. You can sit in it and it looks it's fine, right? Just to put that little more cushion, no pun intended, just more comfort. The cushions are, here for that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the cushions out of the plastic. They come in plastic, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the plastic up and put them, where they go. All right. Okay, family, so I know you might be thinking, white cushions? Wow, that's risky. But the great thing about this set is that the cushions can actually be washed. So you can take them out of the casing here and wash not the cushions, the covering of the cushions can be washed. So that's a good thing. I was concerned about that too. I almost wanted to leave the plastic on, but the fact that you can actually unzip it right there and wash it, that's a good thing. So I'm happy about that. Alright, family, moving on to my egg chair. I'm moving it to that corner. I don't think I'm gonna leave it there. Again, I'm just trying everything out. The hard thing about decorating and filming is that you're doing everything under pressure. So I'm doing this and trying it out as I go. So sometimes I'll set things up, film it, edit, post it, and then I'll come back and change my mind and say, oh, I don't want it here. So yeah, that's why it always seems like I'm changing something, because I am. All right, family, so as I told you all, there were 8 chairs. I only used 6 of them on the dining table, and I'm going to use these 2 here as another sitting area. I feel like the setup is really, really nice, and my mom likes to sit out here and just like talk on the phone and do her thing. She also has a little corner all the way out in the grass that she likes, so she has a choice of where she wants to sit. All right, family, so this is the final reveal of my backyard. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful out here. The camera does not do this justice. You have to be in the space to see how beautiful and comfortable and peaceful it is out here. So I have a sitting area, I have a dining area, I have play area. It just looks so nice. Nadia loves her swing. I love my egg chair. I love the look of the dining set. I love the fire pit. It's so beautiful out here when we come out and just hang out with the family. And you'll see here in a little bit that the housewarming party was just, oh my God, it was so lit. Look at this, y'all. How did we go from this to this? The furniture just goes together. The gazebo goes with my dining set here. The gray goes with the egg chair, and it goes with my cooler, which I'll be showing you in a little bit here. Everything is just so nice, and I'm so satisfied with the final result. It turned out so nice, and this, oh my goodness, this is a gas fire pit. I like the fact that it's portable or movable because I can choose to place it anywhere I want versus it being stuck in the ground. All right, family, so we did go ahead and get a grill because we are going to be having a barbecue out here. All right, today is barbecue day. This is my little sister, Sandra. She is the grill person today. I'm just the all-around, everywhere person, setting up, seasoning, preparing, and just doing. Everybody has a job, and my job is a little bit of everything, but Sandra's job today is the grill. This is my older sister, Mimi, or Mami. Her job was to cook everything as well. She made some nice sauce. She made some of the meat, some of the chicken, and she made a lot of stuff too. And this is Grandma Titi. Her job is to look over the kids. And this is my cousin Stanley, and this is Nadia's dad, Nandy, and my nephew Kenny, and my other nephew Max. So everyone is out here. We only invited a few family members, so definitely a small party. This was just to test out the backyard to see what it feels like. So this is the grill, y'all. How amazing does the food look? Oh my goodness. Everything was so tasty. So tasty. My mouth is watering as I talk about this. We had an amazing time this night. This is the cooler, y'all. This is a side table, but it converts, like I said, into a mini bar and also a cooler. So all we had to do was get some ice, put it in there, and then add our drinks to it. So anyway, the food is ready. It's party time, and everyone is eating, chatting, dancing. You can't hear the music because I didn't want to get copyrighted, but we were playing some Afrobeat music and just jamming out and just hanging out with the family. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really love how the backyard turned out. It is so nice and peaceful out here. I love every piece of furniture that I have here. I want to say thank you to Causeway for sponsoring today's video and sending me these beautiful pieces. I will be able to use these pieces for years and years to come, and I am super satisfied. I will have a discount code in my description box and all of the details on every piece of furniture from Causeway. So please do not forget to check out the description box for everything you need. All right, family, thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one.